Alrighty then, now we arrived to Kota Beach. It's warm, it's sunny, and it's a lot of other things. In the back, Pamela and Gadget, yes. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! Init oy! Oh! What's going on? Kaloy is in the back. My God. And this is really his size. You see me? Normal size. Midget. Mango shake.
This one is mango banana. Uy, naman ang buhid. Maganda nito imol.
Hey, hey, hey. Angry wife?
Maybe na dito sa kato ay barbar.
Why is so angry? A midget in the back. Okay. No.
Hello people. We are now in Kota Beach in Bantayan.
Delete.
Delete. One, two, three. Smile. Smile ba? Kita ang ipon. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Video mo good ni. Hello guys! Kadarating lang namin sa bahay. It's been a really long day but it was very nice. It's been a productive day. We had a lot of fun. Nag-swimming kami, tapos kumain kami sa labas. Din kami, nag-joyride. Pinuntahan namin yung parang main na market dito. Kasi dito sa Bantayan, they got 3 big islands. Santa Fe were the nice yung mga magagandang beach. Tapos yung Bantayan Island, yun yung parang city nila dito na nandun yung mga, alam mo na, yung mga businesses, ganyan. Tapos nandun din yung oldest church ng Bantayan. So, pinuntahan namin yon. Tapos pupunta pa sana kaming Madre Dios. Pero hindi na namin ginawa kasi sobrang init. Tapos may mga bata kaming kasama. But it's been a very fun day. Then we went to the Kota Beach. It's one of the nicest resort dito sa Bantayan. Tapos, dahil hindi kami naka-check-in doon, nag-order lang kami doon sa restaurant nila. Tapos, nag-swimming kami doon sa beach. Sobrang ganda, guys. Tapos, after noon, kumain kami ng dinner. And then, uminom ng konti. And then, now we're home. So, yun yung parang naging araw namin at sobrang saya, guys. And tomorrow, I don't know what's the activity tomorrow, but hopefully, magsiswimming din ulit. Because right after that, in 2 days time, uwi na kami ng city. Tapos ako, mag-stay ako ng city ng mga 4 days. Pero si Martin pupuntang Bohol ng mga 4 days din. Tapos after 4 days, puntahan ko siya doon sa Bohol. Pero maganda din yun kasi I will have real time with my family. Tapos, mabibili ko yung mga kailangan kong bilhin. Nadadalhin ko sa Denmark para ready na lahat. Tapos after ng Bohol, I think magwa 1 week din kami doon and then balik ng city tapos uwi na ng Denmark. So yun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody is masaya today. Thank you.